We are Hypar Collective and this is GLOW.
We have all aluminium cubes with integrated LED diffusers. All of the LEDs we can individually control.
One of our core values is modularity. We find it important that people are able to influence the lighting, that they can create their own dynamic lighting.
We have seen the team develop from the initial idea that they had a few years ago to develop an installation for GLOW.
This year we are working with distance sensors which then calculate how far you're from it, and if you're on the perfect distance you will get a lovely interaction.
Yeah, so the message we want to give to visitors is that in the beginning some seemingly less important parts really have a big influence on your growth and that you can reflect on that.